In this recipe, I've used chili powder and garam masala, and I've also used 3 green chilies. So basically, this makes it a lot more spicy, having green chilies and chili powder as well. But according to your palate, you could always tone it down. You could use like 1 green chili and half a teaspoon of chili powder. Here I have the chili powder which I use. This looks nice and red. Apart from that, I've also used garam masala. This basically is a blend of spices which have all been roasted and blended together. So if you don't like it too spicy, you can always use a little less. Hope this helps and hope you love the recipe. If you're having a problem adjusting the spice level, you could always leave a comment and I'll be happy to get back. While the curry is cooking, I would like to give a shout out to Simple Recipes for her continued support and her comments. You could check out Simple Recipes in the description below. I also like to thank Chris for his wonderful comments. Thank you, Chris. Wow, this came out delicious, friends. Hope you loved it. I would really appreciate it if you could give a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.